So I've washed my hands. I'm going to assess the patient's lung sounds. I need to identify myself to the patient. Hi, I'm Ms. Terrell. I'm going to assess your lungs today and ask the patient if there's any concerns. So I'll apply my stethoscope. Having the patient, could you lean forward for me just a little bit? I want to assess lung sounds at the fifth intercostal space, just medial to the scapula, on the right side, then the left side. Can you take a deep breath in and out? And then going lower on the right side to the lower lobe, take a deep breath in and out. And then the left side, in and out. And then on the left side, going a little bit more lateral to get the third lobe, in and out. So I'm comparing differences between each side.